Basically, what we're doing with RFID is here at Kennedy Space Center, we're using active RFID tags. And these active tags beacon out once a second. And we have receivers placed strategically around the high bay and I bay and a couple other warehouses on the facilities where these receivers are actually receiving the signal. And we translate that into an ID and a location for that particular asset. So when the people at Kennedy Space Center or Boeing want to know where their assets are, all they have to do is run a report or do a query on a map, and it'll show them exactly where that asset is on the map through the use of VisiTrack. Keeping track of your stuff, that's pretty much what we're doing here. We're trying to find out where are our hand tools at, where did they go, did we leave them in the wrong spot? You know, that not only happens here, but it happens up on the space station. I mean, this is something that's technology can be used up in the space station as well. And I mean, that could be one of the opportunities, is to be able to use that so if someone doesn't put back the wrench where they were supposed to when they got done using it, that we could utilize a handheld RFID system or a RTLS system up on the space station to locate where it is.
It's a great tool for real-time tracking. It's a fantastic tool. The main thing that I would say is if you're working around any type of military hardware or NASA space hardware, your M&P people, materials and processes people, are going to play a key asset in making sure that that material is compatible around the elements that you're going to have RFID around.
There's nothing more high-tech than all the space equipment that's going to be used up on the International Space Station. And VisiTrack and the tools that we use to implement that system have to be top-notch. You know, we always have to make sure that that system is up and running 100% for our customers to be able to locate their assets and be able to get use out of our system. Working with Boeing on the CAPS program is like working with a partner. They're a great open company to work with. They give us a tremendous amount of feedback that we can incorporate into our system and make us a better company. And I think that it's going to be a long relationship that we have with Boeing, and we actually work at Boeing at 3 other sites currently. And but the relationship down here at Kennedy Space Center, I think, you know, from my personal feeling, is one of the best.